What is up guys, Tadata Sites. In this video I'm going to compare two softwares which are Prefect and Apache Airflow. So whether you're running ETL pipelines, data quality checks, machine learning workflows, this comparison will help you decide which one suits your use case the best. So let's dive in. So first, what are they? Apache Airflow is the OG of data orchestration. It was created at Airbnb and is now an Apache project. It uses DAGs, directed acyclic graphs, to define complex workflows, and it's deeply embedded in enterprise data stacks. Perfect, on the other hand, is a modern orchestration tool built in Python with a focus on flexibility, observability, and dynamic workflows. It started as an alternative to Airflow's limitation and now has a robust ecosystem of its own. Both are open source, Python based, and widely adopted, but they approach orchestration very differently. Now, let's move to the next step, which are features and architecture. So Apache Airflow is a modular components with web UI, scheduler, and workers, huge operator ecosystems, AWS, GCP, Databricks, etc., and native support for DAG versioning, logs, and plugins. It's better for static workflows, whereas Prefect, task requires, schedulers, and state handling are easier, more dynamic and Pythonic structure. Prefect 2.0 supports serverless workflows, hybrid execution, and async tasks. Easy integration with modern data tools like dbt, S3, and Snowflake, etc. So, in the verdict, if you need static, audit-heavy enterprise pipelines, you should use Airflow. And if you need dynamic, reactive pipelines, you should use Prefect. And now, let's move to the next step, which is the community ecosystem and cost. So Airflow is massive community and enterprise support. It is used by companies like Airbnb, LYFP, and Walmart, open source and self-hosted. Whereas Prefect is fast-growing developer community, Perfect Cloud is paid, but open source version is free. Rich UI, logs, versioning, and task level insights out of the box. Cost tip: Airflow is free to self host but complex to manage. Prefect Cloud costs more but saves time and hassle. Now, let's move to the final verdict. So, which one wins in 2025? Use Prefect if you want easy setup, dynamic workflows, and developer friendly design. And you should use Apache Airflow if you need mature enterprise level orchestration with static DAGs and strong community support. So, let me know in the comments which one would you use. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.